everyone, my name is Mharz, and in today's video, we are going to try and make a Yule log cake. I've never really done this before, but you know, I'm willing to give it a shot. That's what this channel is all about. Anyway, let's go! So for the log cake, I will be using the mocha roll cake, in which I've already made in this channel before. Therefore, I won't be showing it here, but if you're interested on how I made them, check the eye icon on the top right corner. So I made the cake and tried to roll it, and the first thing that happens is that it cracked. Of course, look, I rolled this up while it was warm, just like what the pro baker said to do, but it still cracked, so I don't know. If you have any suggestions for me, let me know in the comments below. We should still be able to work with this. It still looks like a cake roll, and we can easily hide the crack with the frosting, so let's do that. There we go! See? No problem. Next, we'll add some branches. So I have another cake here that I need to roll properly. Come on, cake, work with me here. Well, this is fine. Okay, let's slice a third of this and just align it onto the side like so. Let's add more frosting to hide the gaps. That's looking good so far. I actually want another roll on top, and in order to do that, we'll be using some barbecue sticks. You can use cake pop sticks or straws, whatever you have as long as it can support the cake roll. I've cut the sticks to size, just tall enough for the main cake and the cake that we're gonna attach, and it's just a matter of inserting the stick onto the main roll and then adding the extra roll on top. Now we're gonna cover it with more frosting to hide the gaps, like so. It's time to put some design. Since it's meant to be like a log, there's no need to be super clean and smooth with the frosting. In fact, let's add some wooden streaks here using a fork. See, it looks more like a log now. Let's add some pizzazz by sprinkling some ground up dark chocolate. Now it looks like you dug it from underground. And there you have it, we have a log cake. However, we are not done because I have extra cakes here, so let's just make them into logs as well. Okay. This roll ended up being worse than the first one. Probably should have sliced it thinner. Oh well. Nothing like our little frosting can't handle. Look, it looks like you sliced it off a tree. Yeah, let's go with that. I'm not gonna go complex here. Let's just sprinkle this with chocolate chips and sprinkles. Okay, we're done for real, sis. Here are 2 log cakes for you to enjoy. For me, there's no wrong way to do log cakes because you can be rustic and messy, or smooth and clean, and it will still look good. You're free to do it however you want as long as it tastes good, yeah? Anyway, I hope you like this video. I make videos of me trying whatever stuff that interests me, and if you wanna see more, hit that subscribe button and ring that G-dang bell. I hope one day that this little channel would grow. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!